Hi, I'm Justin from Warne, and today we're going to be going over some of the features and benefits of our new QD XSKEL mount. So functionally speaking, this mount is the same as our standard XSKEL mount. It's the same materials and design. And if you're looking for detailed mounting instructions as to mounting the scope in the mount, I would watch those videos, which are available on our website as well. So what separates this mount from our standard XSKEL is our patent-pending dual quick release levers, which easily removes the scope from the rifle. And they feature two levers with a locking latch, so when you actually tighten the lever, it will snap over and it locks that latch shut. There are two integrated recoil lugs, which are cross bolts, and it has two tensioning nuts on the other side, which are detented, so you can get that adjustment just perfect. This is a great way to switch between two different scopes, or if you have a red dot or a holographic, a different kind of optic, and you want the ability to remove your scope or put it back on, have it go back to zero completely toollessly in the field, this is a great option. So if I wanted to go from this 4 to 12 to a 1 to 6 that I already had pre-mounted, the procedure for mounting it on the gun is pretty straightforward. You'll put it onto the rail, and then as it comes out of the package, you may need to back off that tensioning nut all the way, or at least somewhat, so you can get it onto the rail. And when you actually go to install and tighten the levers, you're going to reach a point where it's very loose, and then it's going to experience some tension right when it gets to about the point of the latch. When you adjust it to that point where you have a slight tension to the point of the latch, that's the proper amount of tension onto this lever. And then all you do is snap it over and the latch will shut, locking the mount onto the rail. So available in 1-inch, 30 or 34 millimeter tube sizes, and black or flat dark earth, the QD XSKEL is shipping now. Thanks for watching.